Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we've just got a short video showing you how to reset the service light on this 2014 Skoda Superb. All we're going to need to use is the little button on the side of the dash there, the zeros on it, and this, you can use this button here to scroll and press it to select. Now the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition off, and we're going to press and hold the zero button on the side there and turn the ignition on. Once you've done that, you get a new message. You can release the button and then use your scroll to scroll down or scroll to OK there, and then just select with OK, and that's the service reset. Sometimes you might get the oil reset separate to the service inspection. If you do, it's just a case of running through exactly the same procedure again. The first time I'll do the oil reset, second time I'll do the inspection reset. It's a nice easy one today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.